Hi, we're Andrew and Danielle.
We have been married for 8 years, and we are really excited to grow our family through adoption.
Living in a farming community in the Midwest, we spend a lot of time outdoors.
Whether it be taking our dog Coda for walks, or camping, sitting on our front porch, or even just working in the yard. Anything outside is what we really enjoy. Some of the things that I really love about Andrew is, one, he is the most selfless person that I have ever met. He is a calming presence to any situation. And besides that, he is one of the hardest working men that I know. He has worked really hard to grow his construction business so that I'm able to stay home and be a homemaker in preparation for also being a stay-at-home mom to our future child.
What I love about Danielle is she's a caring and compassionate person. She does a great job in keeping her home in order. She is a darn good cook. And I look forward to seeing her become a mother.
Andrew and I are really looking forward to becoming parents.
One of the things we look forward to is getting ice cream on Sundays, going camping in our camper, going out in our Jeep, or just playing ball in the yard.
Those are just a few things that we really look forward to.
We are flexible as far as continued communication, whether that be pictures, emails, or visits, whatever you are comfortable with.
If you want to learn more about us, please contact Lifetime.
We hope to meet you soon.
Bye.